Howdy y'all, TheJTJ here. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to color in a drawing with Inkscape. Alright, as you can see here I have a sketch on this side. This was done by an awesome artist. She had drawn this out for me with my intent to sort of show everybody how you can colorize your drawings. This also would work if you already had a JPEG or something that was already colorized and you just wanted to crisp it up or freshen it up. Alright, so here on the right is the finished product. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and open up a new Inkscape document. Then you're going to, the first thing I like to do, regardless of whatever you've got going on, is I'm going to go ahead and save it. So I'm going to save as. I'm going to find my folder. I'm going to name this Alright, so from now on our project's already saved. That's the very first thing you want to do with any project. Now we're going to import our drawing. There's several different ways you can get your drawing into the computer. You can take a picture of it with your cell phone. The best way is a flatbed scanner. So if you can have access to a scanner, scan it in, turn it into a JPEG, and you'll be ready to go. Like I said, you can take a picture of it, or you can scan it, or you can find something already, and this will work too with something off the internet. So if you just find a picture on the internet you want to try to trace out, you can download that, and then we're going to import it. So we'll go to File, and we're going to go to Import. As you see here, I've got the original scan and I sort of cropped it down, and this is what we'll be using. So I'll select that picture and I'll hit Open. You just go ahead and say OK to all these settings. And now we can drag it into the center. I like to go ahead now and I will go to File, Document Properties, and I will go right here to this to resize page content, resize to drawing or selection. Now this has made my page or my paper artboard the size of the drawing. Next, I want to show border on top of drawing. Let's do a color that we probably won't be using, something like a red maybe. Alright, so now the border will be on top of the drawing. You can press 5 to get that full screen, exit out of that. Now we're set up as far as having the artboard correct and our file that we're going to trace loaded in. Next we're going to go to Layer and open the Layers palette. Alright, notice it's default layer 1. I'm going to change this to Art. I'm going to change the name, and it's always good to have your layers named properly so you sort of remember. And next I'm going to lock it, so I'm going to click that little lock. So from now on I can't click and move or select this. It's going to be there. Plus I can use the eyeball to turn it on and off if I need to do that. So this is your initial setup. You'll need to do this with any of the things you're going to trace out. If you had several different items you're going to composite, maybe you had a cool background you were going to put on here, I would put that on a separate layer. But that's just now, that's step 1, got you started. Thanks for watching.